is this cute? Is this the winner? Did you want to go stand by it?
I did.
Why not? Oh. It looks so cute. Oh, look at the little bug on top. Look how. Oh, cute. Oh,
Seen all the good ones.
wait a minute. I don't know what I'm doing here. Look at how cute they are. Oh my goodness. It matches you. Look at that. Oh, isn't that cute? A little station wagon. Is that my Uncle Richard? Is it? It sure looks like it. Whoa. They're everywhere. They're cute and they're everywhere. Oh, Mom, there's your truck. It's my color. Yeah. And I don't know. I'm gonna see the hidden cutie over here. Oh my goodness, aren't they cute? One of my colors. Am I paused? I can never tell. It's on. Isn't it cute? Aren't these adorable?
Huge parking lot. That's what you're trying to get all the cars in. They can't get off the cars.
On there? Is that cute or what? Okay, I hear. Hi. Good to see you. How are you doing? Ooh, this one's got tabs. Oh, they're so cute. How nice. Isn't it pretty? That one's pretty. Ooh. Oh, here's some more bugs. Here's Slowpoke. Look at the front.
50-50 tickets and raffles. Last call. 50-50.
Get all this. I'm gonna show you that, yeah. Matches. Oh, it's cute. See? Look at that. It's a 16. It's pretty. Isn't it cute? I wish I could get right behind here, but I'm like limited. Just stay there. Stand by it. There's one more car. Am I still? It's adorable. There's a cute one over there hiding. Ooh, look at this.
Yeah, that's what I was. I mean, who's to say something happened days ago?
Fun, fun. Thanks for sharing your cars with everybody.